These little pockets right here, I cut them out of a shoe organizer. I keep napkins, little packets of salt and pepper, little condiments, little grape jelly.
Hi everyone, I'm Autumn, roving reporter here at Cheap RV Living, and today we have an extra treat. We are here with Becky. Hi Becky.
Hi, Autumn.
And Becky was on the channel in
2019.
2019. So she had this same van back then, and she's going to walk us through another tour today. And so Becky, can you refresh our viewers and just tell them a little bit about how long have you been on the road and your nomadic journey?
Well, I started out, I came down here in 2018 in a small car. Unfortunately, when I headed back east, it blew up on me.
Oh no.
I stayed with my son, my oldest son, for 3 months and he put the word out for me. I'm looking for a conversion van.
Yeah.
So I ended up paying, even though it's an older van, it's cost me a lot of money, but the parts are cheap.
So you went from the tiny car to this conversion van. How was that difference in terms of living?
Oh man, I was ecstatic.
Yeah.
Having a lot more room and being able to figure out what I was going to put in there, besides what I already had. The van is not the only thing I have. I also tow a trailer.
Oh, you do? Okay, so you've got sort of like a dual setup.
Yes.
What is your trailer?
It is a 6x8 open utility trailer, and I keep several totes on that. I mainly use the trailer for storage.
We just brought out Missy. Can you tell us a little bit about Missy?
I rescued Missy from a puppy mill in Earp, California back in 2020. And she was about 8 weeks old. She is Beagle and Dachshund mix.
So you started out in the car, then you upgraded to the van, you have a trailer. It sounds like it's a great setup. What brought you on the road originally?
I'm a former truck driver.
Oh, how cool.
I am, and me and my second husband drove together in a semi. And I'm like, when I retire, I'm still going to travel.
I love that. So you worked on the road for a good chunk of time and you loved it so much that you turned it into a lifestyle.
Yeah. My rig is a 95 Chevy G20, 6-cylinder, not an 8-cylinder. I've invested a lot of money in it, but overall, since I've had it since 2018, most of the parts are cheap. When Bob did my interview back in 2018, all I had in here was a bench seat that made into a bed, and it was across the width of the van. 2 years ago, I went to a van build, and they took out the bench seat, put my platform bed in, and a nice little table.
So this was custom made for you?
Yes.
Oh, that looks like it's some great storage.
And being that this van is factory, it's turquoise green. I call it turquoise green.
Yeah.
I did not want to tear out any of the material. So a simple build is what I got. And the clothes rack came with the van, and I don't have to use any totes for my clothes. And I had the RV LED lights put in a couple of years ago. I can keep them on for a very long time, and they do not run my battery down.
And I see you have a fan here.
Yeah, I love those them are USB fans.
And so those also are really low draw on the battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of battery setup do you have?
I have two 100 amp hour Life Pro 4 lithium batteries. And I've got 250 watts of roof solar panel, along with 200 watts of Renogy folding solar panel, along with a AC 180 Bluetti.
Wow, okay, so you're stocked. And do you find that meets your solar needs?
Yes, that's my dual fridge. It's a freezer on the other end and fridge on this end.
Oh, nice.
And it runs off of I keep it plugged into my Bluetti 24/7.
And then it looks like there is a great deal of storage under your bed. There's a lot of space.
Yeah.
Do you find that this is enough storage for your needs?
Yes.
What are some of the favorite changes that you've had in here from when we originally toured you?
At one time, I had a diesel heater in there. I tried out a diesel heater, and it started leaking. And I lost about a gallon of diesel on the carpet.
Oh my
that I had
gosh.
in there. So when I went to the van build, I bought the vinyl flooring, the plywood, and the insulation, and had that flooring put in at the van build. And when I had that diesel spill, all the rest of the carpet had to be tore out. I have 3 of those jugs, and I love them.
Yeah. So you're able to get a good 6 gallons at a time.
Yeah.
And then let's see, how about your bathroom?
That little toilet right there is collapsible, and it takes 8-gallon bags. And I order the 8-gallon bags from Amazon, and I do not use that unless I absolutely have to.
Sure.
If I get to a place that has no bathroom, I will use it.
And then how about your cooking setup?
It's at my camp.
The cooking and water and all that is set up in the trailer.
Yes. When I realized that I was going to end up needing more essentials, like a tent for storage, a camping table for cooking, my pots and pans is in a tote on the trailer, and I have went to mostly collapsible pots and pans and bowls. There's my 2 LiPo 4 lithium batteries. I keep a 1-burner camping stove in here, along with this little kettle for heating my coffee water.
Oh, sure.
And I've got 2 different size wash pans in here that helps me clean up.
Oh, so this is like a great setup for like a wet bath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way when I'm out somewhere and can't get access to a shower, I've got my towels and washcloths and body wash, and of course toothpaste and toothbrush, all together in one kit. It's very important for a nomad to have emergency money. If you don't have emergency money and you come down here or anywhere in particular, and then your rig breaks down, that's going to break you.
Yeah.
That can end up breaking you. Yeah. Mechanical issues are going to happen, and we never know when. These little pockets right here, I cut them out of a shoe organizer. I keep napkins, little packets of salt and pepper, little condiments, little grape jelly.
And it looks like you just stapled them right in?
Yes.
I'm curious to hear if folks want to get out on the road but haven't yet taken that leap. What advice would you give to them?
Have no fear.
Yeah.
If you're in fear of starting the journey, try it in your driveway and see what you think first. Think about it and just go for it.
Yeah.
It's going to be hard for me to give up this kind of life and have to go into a setting of 4 walls. I love being out in nature And sure, we may have a few rules to go by. We still got a few rules to go by because this is federal land. This is not just, even though it is public land per se, but it's still federal land.
Yeah.
And there is still rules and regulations we got to abide by. But nothing like what you would have to put up with in a city.
Becky, thank you so much for sharing your home on wheels with us, as well as your incredible nomadic wisdom. Anything else you want to share with the folks?
I just want to say to enjoy your nomadic life as long as possible, because a lot of us are getting up in age and not going to be able to enjoy the outdoors. I just hope that everybody enjoys their nomadic life as long as they can.
Absolutely. That's an incredible blessing to give out, as well as words of wisdom. If you got anything out of this video, be sure to like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to comment below. Bye-bye.